Disrupt the device. Get away from that keyboard. Step outside into Shred World. These bindings come fully assembled. You just need to adjust them to fit your boots and mount them on your board. The ankle strap is asymmetrical so that it snugly wraps your boot. The mesh design makes it both lightweight and flexible. The spine on top provides strength. These two holes allow you to adjust the strap height. Go high for greater support. Go low for greater flexibility. These holes allow you to adjust the strap length. Select the length that centers the strap on the boot. This is what it looks like on the inside. Don't lose this nut. The toe strap is also adjustable. You have a choice of holes to use to get the length you need. The cap and screw system is the same as the one on the ankle strap. Check out the grooves on the straps, diagonal on the outside, perpendicular on the inside. The high back tilts forward when you need it out of the way. It has a forward lean adjustment built into the base. Rotate to increase or decrease forward lean. There are some small numbers inside to help you remember your setting. You can adjust the rotation of the high back using the screws on both sides of the base. The high back should be parallel to the heel side edge of the board and not necessarily parallel to the back of the boot. The soft footbed allows your boots to settle into their natural position. The gas pedal can be adjusted by unlocking at the back of the foot pad and then pulling in and out. To avoid toe drag, make sure the front edge is in contact with the boot sole. To mount your binding, unsnap the footbed at the back. Find the angle marker on the base. The discs have number markings that correspond to stance angles. This one is set up for positive 9 degrees. The yellow lines on this card show you which holes to use to center your binding between the heel side edge and the toe side edge. This tiny card is included because the markings on the disc are hard to see. This disc is set up so that the binding will be centered between the edges. You can move the disc and thus the bindings forward and backward on the board to adjust to your stance width. This is a reflex mount. To set your bindings towards the toe or towards the heel, use the screw holes that don't have the groove. You may have to rotate the disc. Place the disc in the binding at your desired angle and align with the holes on the board. The disc allows you to choose your stance angles and also the position between the toe side edge and the heel side edge of the board. The holes on the board allow you to choose your stance width. Tighten all screws firmly and get out there and ride. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, why not like and subscribe?